Hello, my name is Michael Chulak. Getting elected to the board of directors of your homeowner association takes both planning and it takes action. I established an HOA management company in Southern California in 1987, and I became an HOA attorney in 1998. I currently own a company that provides inspector of election services to homeowner associations located in Los Angeles County and in Ventura County. So I have lots of experience with elections and how people get elected to the board of their association. There are many reasons why you should seriously consider running for the board, which is the subject of a separate video. However, once you have made the decision to run for the board, you need to get elected. You need to win. Based on years of observation and years of experience, the following recommendations are going to help you win that position on the board of directors. Number one, for at least 6 months prior to the election, you need to attend every meeting of the board. This will help you become informed and it will make you visible to the members that attend these meetings. You need to make appropriate comments and you need to make appropriate suggestions. You need to be professional at all times and you need to be polite at all times. Next is you need to read the Davis-Sterling Act. I have provided a link to the Davis-Sterling Act below this video. The Davis-Sterling Act consists of the California Civil Code sections 4,000 through 6,150. I strongly recommend that when you read the Davis-Sterling Act, you read the official version that is put on the website by the California legislature. The reason for that is if you read the official version, you know that you are getting the most current legal document. If you take it off of someone's website, you may get a current version, you may get an old version. And the last thing you want to do is read the law, which is now obsolete. Reading the Davis-Sterling Act is going to provide you with the knowledge that you are going to need to be an effective director of your association. You will probably have to read it at least twice to really grasp in depth all of the information that is there. But it is very important, so you really do need to read it. After you've read it a couple of times, you're going to want to have it available as a reference tool because you will need to refer to it from time to time. The next thing you have to do is you need to read your association's governing documents. Specifically, you need to read the CC&Rs of your association, the bylaws, and the operating rules. And again, you need to have these available as reference tools. You need to read all of the contracts that your association has with third parties. This would include the management contract, the contract with your management company, but also any of the contracts that the association has entered into with vendors and contractors. That is the only way you will know what the association should expect in terms of services. And you want those expectations to be realistic. Note that as a member of an association, whether you are on the board or not, you have the absolute right to receive a copy of all signed contracts that exist. The next thing you want to do, most importantly, is you want to meet your neighbors at every opportunity, and you want to let them know that you have an interest in running for the board. You want to develop a reputation for being caring, concerned, and most importantly, reasonable. You want to be absolutely certain to pay your assessments timely and to obey all association rules and requirements. You want to also use the association's nomination form and any candidate forum as a way to convey your qualifications to the members. And you want to demonstrate your objectivity, your sincerity, and your relevant knowledge to the membership. You also should send out a short solicitation letter to all of the members of your association at about the time that the ballots go out to the membership. And you want to explain in that letter why you wish to be on the board and why you have the qualifications to be on the board. Essentially, what you're going to do is take the information that would be in your nomination form and mirror that and put that into a letter that you communicate to each member of the association. While you want to keep your candidacy as positive as you can, you might want to consider the following, assuming, and this is important, assuming they are relevant issues. And those issues would be the failure to collect delinquent assessments, the condition of the common area, any failure to produce an accurate budget resulting in special assessments, the overall quality of the management of your association. That would include the management company and how they're performing for the members of the association. Any failure to obtain a reserve study and to set aside reserves, which has resulted in the unforeseen need to collect special assessments. The failure to hold elections on a timely basis. Any CC&R rules violations that are not being enforced or are being committed by members of the board. All of these things are relevant issues if they exist. In another video, I talk about why it is important for you to get elected to the board. And there is a link to that video below this particular video. If you follow the guidelines set forth in my video today, you're going to find that the probability of your getting elected will increase substantially. However, if you're not elected, don't give up. Perseverance will get you elected if you do all of these things and you are sincere and you are diligent about learning everything that you need to know about being a good, competent board member. Again, my name is Michael Chulak. I can be reached at area code 818-991-9019. Thank you for listening.